Hello and once again, welcome into the garage, and what we're finally doing today is servicing the old 690. Poor old thing's been due a service for a little while. I've finally got my butt around to getting it done. So what we have is, we've got the recommended oil, Motrex 1050, here in use in the UK, power synth. We've got the filters, screens and some new drain plugs. We've got some brake cleaner to clean off any oil. And now we need to stop waffling and get on with it. Let's drain the oil. I've already warmed the bike up. All right, here's the tools. I think we're going to need 13, 14mm, 8mm, T30, which you got a choice there really for these bolts here. You can use a T30 or an 8mm. Ratchets, long nose pliers for pull the filter out, and my good old trusty battery ratchet. Right, let's get the sump guard off. Two side ones, and you get two underneath. And you got two T40s right underneath. Whoa, hold the press. Here's a little helpful tip that I didn't realise. Take a look at this. You don't need to undo these bolts to take the sump guard off. Just take these front ones off and then the whole thing just pushes in. Like a little rubber grommet bush thing in there. So those two at the front and then just pull it away. That'll save you from undoing an extra two bolts. Side note, don't forget your gloves. I just forgot to put those on. And what we got here, will it focus? Focus! Is the little magnet. So you get a few little shards of a metal one. That's pretty good. That's not too bad. Autofocus, you damn fool. And now one of the little screens. That's a bit of a bugger. That didn't want to play. So there's the other screens, or screen. There's a few little bits in there, if you can see, but that looks pretty good. But that'll be completely replaced. The new ones. These little O-rings fit on the ends of the screens. These slightly larger ones go on the new bolts when you can pick them up. Then that pops in there. Enough oil on the O-ring on your fingers, squeeze it in. And then we have a new screen. I don't have a small enough torque wrench, so click. And now paper filters. I did look at the torque specs, and I think these are around about 12 or 15, but don't take my word for it. Apologies for my old hands getting in the way. It's looking nice and clean. So that was a red one. You've got two different colours of two different sizes. Red one this side, and obviously the orange yellow one the other. Just give the little end there a bit of a lube, and it goes in that way. Push. Replace the O-ring on this one as well. Again, let's give it a. It's not going to make a massive difference, but we'll give it a little bit of a wipe. Fresh O-ring, got a bit of oil from my fingers on there, and that just slips over. I'm not going to move the camera, but just like you see on the other side, you've got that little O-ring. Well, say little. There we go. Bit of force. I don't know if a technician or a mechanic would do this, because I'm not one. A little bit of oil, just to lube it up. And then you push that little flange inside the rubber seal. I genuinely did mean to go and buy a little torque wrench. I've got that large one, which is going to be ridiculously tight for this, and it wouldn't go down as low. I'll put the torque specs up here. I don't think there's any particular sequence you have to do all these filters in. And again, that one looks quite clean. Super. Just lubed the O-rings up, popped it on there. Drain plug in, now let's get some oil in it. So we're going to need 1.9 litres, so I'm going to use my 3DG Prince custom made filter, which fits in there. Then I'm going to measure out 1.9 litres of oil. Right, sight glass is looking quite full. There's still half a litre to go in, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to fire the bike up, give it a little run, get the fluid, get the oil moving around. So I've just finished topping the oil up there, but forgot to press record. So that's the rest of the oil in there. Sight glass is looking full, but the back wheel's off because it's on a paddock stand off the ground. So check for some leaks. Hopefully not. And there you have it, my friends. The 690 is serviced. Serviced with the correct equipment, not necessarily done the correct way. I'm not a mechanic. I keep telling you that. So, so that's all done. Serviced, new oil, fresh oil. The oil's all good. All I've got to do now is put the sump guard back on, but I'm not going to film that. You saw me take it off, easy enough. 4 bolts. So, as always, take care. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do think about it. It really makes a difference seeing those figures go up. Next things, stuff for the 390, decals and engine protection next. And also, there's going to be an update on the Speed Triple RS on that switch cube. Take care, ride safe.